Here is a detailed guide on Dalbavancin, addressing each requested point comprehensively for medical, nursing, or pharmacological purposes. 1. Generic name, drug class, drug forms, brand name. Generic name, Dalbavancin, drug class, lipoglycopeptide antibiotic, drug forms, injectable powder for intravenous IV infusion, available as a lyophilized powder in vials, typically 500 milligrams per vial. Brand name, Dalvance. 2. Definition. Dalbavancin is a long-acting semisynthetic lipoglycopeptide antibiotic structurally related to vancomycin. It is primarily used to treat acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections, ABSSSI, caused by gram-positive bacteria, including MRSA. 3. Mechanism of action. Dalbavancin inhibits cell wall synthesis by binding to the D-allenyl-D-alanine terminus of peptidoglycan precursors. This action blocks the polymerization and cross-linking of peptidoglycan chains, causes cell wall instability, ultimately leading to bacterial lysis and death. It has a bactericidal effect and prolonged half-life, 346 hours, allowing once-weekly dosing. Highly effective against gram-positive pathogens including Staphylococcus aureus, including MRSA, Streptococcus pyogenes, Enterococcus faecalis, vancomycin-susceptible strains. Indication: FDA-approved uses. Treatment of acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections in adults and pediatric patients under 3 months caused by Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA and MSSA, Streptococcus pyogenes, Streptococcus agalactiae, Streptococcus aeruginosus group, Enterococcus faecalis, vancomycin susceptible. Off-label investigational uses: osteomyelitis, endocarditis, device-related infections. 5. Contraindications. Known hypersensitivity to dalbavancin or other glycopeptides, e.g. vancomycin, severe allergic reactions to any formulation components, caution in severe renal impairment, CRCL 30 milliliters per min, unless on hemodialysis, dose adjustment needed. 6. Precautions before taking this medicine. Medical history considerations. Renal dysfunction. Monitor renal function and adjust dose if needed. Liver disease may cause elevated liver enzymes. Infusion reactions. Rapid infusion can cause red man syndrome. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Limited data. Use only if clearly needed. Superinfection risk. Prolonged use may promote overgrowth of non-susceptible organisms, e.g. Clostridioides difficile. Baseline assessments. Renal function tests, BUN, creatinine, liver function tests, AST, CBC if prolonged treatment is considered. How to use. Administration. Administer via IV infusion over 30 minutes. Dilute the vial in 5% dextrose, D5W, or 0.9% sodium chloride, normal saline, to prepare for infusion. Only administered by a healthcare provider in a clinical setting. Do not administer as an IV bolus or IM injection. 8. Dosing information. Adults, normal renal function, single-dose regimen, 1,500 milligrams IV once, 2-dose regimen, 1,000 milligram V on day 1, 500 milligrams IV on day 8. Adults with renal impairment, 30 milliliters per min, single dose, 1,125 milligrams IV once, 2-dose, 750 milligram IV on day 1, 375 milligrams on day 8. Pediatrics, 3 months. Dosing is weight-based, e.g. 6 years and 18 years. 18 milligrams per kilogram IV on day 1, max 1,500 milligrams. Requires careful dosing calculation by specialist. Missed to overdose. Missed dose, rare, as administration is supervised. If missed, contact a healthcare provider to reschedule. Overdose, no specific antidote. Symptoms: nausea, vomiting, dizziness, rash. Management, supportive care. Dalbavancin is not effectively removed by dialysis due to high protein binding. DA10. Stop or avoid taking if you experience a severe allergic reaction, e.g. anaphylaxis, angioedema. Signs of liver dysfunction appear, e.g. yellowing of skin, dark urine. Severe diarrhea develops, suggesting possible C. difficile infection. Development of new signs of superinfection, e. fungal infection. 11. Side effects. In detail, common side effects: nausea, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, pruritus, rash. Less common but serious side effects: infusion-related reactions, red man syndrome, flushing, rash, hypotension, hypersensitivity, anaphylaxis, urticaria, liver enzyme elevations, AST/ALT increase, Superinfections, C. difficile-associated diarrhea, neutropenia, or eosinophilia in prolonged courses. 12. Vital information. Extremely long half-life, 346 hours, allows weekly dosing. Not suitable for oral use. No significant impact on CYP450 enzymes, so fewer drug interactions. Not effective against gram-negative bacteria. Requires renal function monitoring in patients with impairment. Store at controlled room temperature. Protect reconstituted solution from light. 13. Drug interactions. What other drugs affect dalbavancin? Dalbavancin has minimal drug-drug interactions due to lack of metabolism by liver enzymes. However, caution should be taken with nephrotoxic drugs, e.g. aminoglycosides, NSAIDs, additive renal effects, hepatotoxic agents, monitor liver function closely, anticoagulants, e.g. warfarin, lab INR may be falsely elevated, clinical monitoring is essential, no significant effect on QT interval. Summary. Dalbavancin is a powerful, long-acting IV antibiotic used for treating serious gram-positive infections, especially those caused by MRSA. It offers the convenience of once-weekly dosing, high efficacy, and minimal drug interactions. However, renal function monitoring, attention to allergic reactions, and appropriate dosing are critical for safe use. Thank you. Have a nice day.